Alright, I'm doing a diagnostic on this Whirlpool dryer. Problem is, it's turning on, but it won't start. So it was the control board that's defective. I bought a new one. I just about got it installed. I wanted to pull the old one apart to kind of see if I see any physical damage on it, why it wasn't turning on the motor, which was these two blue wire wasn't turning on the motor. So I took this out, took it, turned it around, and you could actually see the damage. The reason why the motor circuit is completely dead on this unit. So every time I replace a part, I always like to kind of take the old part apart and kind of check and if I see any physical damage or if I see any reason why it went out. And clearly could see there. That's why the board is dead. And one of my big reasons for checking to see if I see any fault or defect with this board is I noticed that they offer a core charge, a $60 core charge if you just return the part. And in my head, I'm thinking, man, you know, let me take a look and see, because the board by itself is a couple $100, and to send it back for only $60, when it's something I can repair myself, just makes way better sense to me. So that's exactly what I'll be doing. I'll just go ahead and get this all cleaned up and repaired, and I can get it back into service. You could also see another damaged spot right there where that's burned out as well. So I'm seeing 3 damage areas so far that needs to be repaired. And then I'm expecting this board to be back operational. And that's all mainly from the relay. That's a resistor. I'm gonna pull up the diagram and check and see. But absolutely, definitely recommend learning how to repair boards. It's very profitable. All right, you guys like, share, and subscribe.